Hey there, Clever Panther from Release Team. Do you want your users to submit tickets directly to your website without having to use the JSM service portal? This is how we can accomplish that using widgets. First, we have to make sure you set up an open portal by setting up anonymous access to help centers on the site. To do this, we go to the Settings cog, Products, and then Customer Access under Jira Service Management on the left-hand sidebar. Under Portal Access, we have to ensure Allow customers to create accounts and customers can access and send requests to the portal without logging in are both enabled. Then we go to our Service Project Settings under Customer Permissions, and we ensure that Channel Access is set to Open. Now that we've set up anonymous access and open portal, we'll go to the widget settings under your service project. From here, we select our widget's default request type. On this one, we have technical support. Then we use the customization features under the widget creation form in order to customize your widget's appearance and any standards messages. Then we save, and then we click on copy code. Copy and paste the generated code onto your web page, and voila, your widget is available on your web page. If you like that, please subscribe to Release Team.